Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be doing a live tutorial on how to braid Cornrow Braids hairstyle. I'll be revealing step by step on how to go about it. As you watch, you will see how it is done from the various clips, and the best way to learn this is for you to take notes and watch till the end as I explain. As we dive in, I would love you to subscribe, like and click the icon bell for more videos. To our newcomers, you are welcome, and do subscribe to help this channel grow. Now, how to braid Cornrow braids has a step-by-step guide. Cornrow braids are a popular and versatile hairstyle with roots in African culture. They can be styled in various patterns, sizes and shapes, making them suitable for different occasions. Whether you are a beginner or looking to refine your technique, this detailed guide will walk you through the process of braiding cornrow braids step by step. Now we'll go on the materials you'd all need. You need a comb, a rat tail comb is ideal for parting and sectioning the hair. You need hair clips, you need moisturizing cream or gel, you also need edge control gel and hair extension, though hair extensions are optional. For added length or volume, you need hair extensions. Spray bottled water to keep the hair manageable if it starts to dry out. Now we're going to talk about the preparation. Now to prepare, you need to wash and condition the hair. You start with clean, detangle hair. Use a moisturizing shampoo and conditioner to ensure the hair is hydrated. This helps prevent breakage during braiding. Now also, you have to do a deep condition, which is optional, but if you want to do it, if you have time, consider deep conditioning your hair to add extra moisture and strength. This is particularly beneficial if you plan to keep the braids in for an extended period. Now you also need to dry and detangle. Now get a towel, dry the hair and apply a leave-in conditioner or detangler. Use a wide tooth comb to detangle the hair from ends to roots, ensuring it is completely tangle-free. Now the next thing also in preparation is for you to section the hair and decide on the style and pattern of your cornrows. Use the rat tail comb to part the hair into sections. Smaller sections will create finer cornrows, while larger sections will result in thicker braids. So use hair clips to keep the other sections out of the way. Now let me take you through the step-by-step process of cornrowing. Step 1. Part the hair. Part the first section. Use the rat tail comb to create a straight line for your first row. Make sure the part is as clean and even as possible. Apply moisturizer. Apply a bit of moisturizing cream or gel to the section to keep the hair smooth and manageable. Now we move on to step 2, which is start the braid. Divide the section. At the beginning of the section, near the hairline, divide the hair into 3 small equal parts. Then you begin braiding. Take the right section and cross it under the middle section. Then take the left section and cross it under the middle section. This is the start of your braid. So you do this when you are braiding. Now step 3. Incorporate hair as you braid. Now you add to the braid. With each cross under motion, pick up a small amount of hair from the section part and add it to the braid. Continue this process, ensuring you are adding hair evenly from both sides of the part. So as you are braiding, you continue to add all the sections as you are braiding. Pick up the hair and a little portion and add as you are sectioning part of the braids. So now we go to step 4, which is for you to continue braiding. Keep the tension consistent. Continue. Keep it consistent. As you braid, make sure to keep the tension on the hair consistent. Too tight and it may cause discomfort or breakage. Too loose and the cornrow won't look neat. So you have to keep the tension of the hair consistent. Braid to the end. Continue adding hair and braiding until you reach the nape of the neck. Once there is no more hair to add, continue braiding the remaining hair down to the ends. So when there is no more hair to add, just continue braiding the remaining hair down to the ends. Step 5. Secure the braid. Secure with a hair tie. If your natural hair is short, you may need to use a small elastic or rubber hair to secure the end of the braid. Add extension, though this is optional, but if you want to make your cornrow longer, you need to add extensions. If you want longer cornrows, you can feed in hair extensions as you braid. Start adding the extensions close to the scalp, blending them seamlessly with your natural hair. Now we go on to the finishing touches. Repeat the process. Repeat the steps for each section of hair. The number of curls will depend on the size and style you choose. Slick down the edges. Once all the braids are done, apply edge control gel to smooth down the baby hairs around the edges for a polished look. Also add moisturize. Apply a light oil or leave-in conditioner to the scalp and braids to keep them moisturized. Then lastly, for you to protect the style, to maintain the style, wrap your hair in a satin or silk scarf at night to reduce frizz and protect the braids. So this is how you can go about doing your cornrow braids. All you need to do is just take these simple steps that I have just talked about. You can go ahead and keep watching the video so that you can write down these steps and you can go and practice it. This is how to do a cornrow braids hairstyle of any style you want. Follow the steps and you'll be able, and you will also master how to do cornrow. Now let me summarize how you are going to go about this cornrow braids step by step. I've given you each and every step in which you can take to do a cornrow braids hairstyle. So now let me summarize so that you can just go through it. Take your pen and your pen and start writing so that you can be able to know how to do a cornrow braids hairstyle. Now cornrow braids are a versatile and culturally rich hairstyle that involves braiding the hair close to the scalp in a series of straight and intricately designed rolls. These protective styles is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also this protective style is not only aesthetically pleasing but also functional, as it helps in maintaining hair health by reducing manipulation. To achieve cornrows, it's essential to start with clean, detangled hair. Begin by washing and conditioning your hair, followed by applying a leave-in conditioner to keep the hair moisturized and manageable. The process of braiding cornrows starts with sectioning the hair according to the desired style. Using a rat tail comb, part the hair into sections, ensuring the lines are straight and even. Each section will become a separate cornrow for the actual braiding. Take a small section of hair near the hairline and divide it into 3 equal parts. Begin braiding by crossing the right section under the middle section, followed by the left section under the middle. As you continue, incorporate small amounts of hair into each cross under motion, gradually working your way down the scalp. Maintaining consistent tension is crucial for neat cornrows. The braid should be tight enough to hold, but not so tight that it causes discomfort or breakage. Once you reach the nape of the neck, continue braiding the remaining hair down to the ends. Depending on your preference, you can secure the ends with a small elastic or rubber band, especially if your natural hair is short. If you want longer cornrows, you can incorporate hair extensions as you braid, blending them seamlessly with your natural hair. After completing the braids, apply edge control gel to smooth down the edges and give the hairstyle a polished look. To maintain the style, wrap your hair in a satin or silk scarf at night to reduce frizz and protect the braids. Regularly moisturize your scalp and braids with light oils or leave-in conditioners will keep the hair hydrated and prevent dryness. Cornrows can be styled in various ways, from straight back designs to more intricate patterns like zigzag or feed-in braids, offering endless possibilities for creativity and personal expressions. So now I have given you a step-by-step on how you can go about doing your own cornrow braids hairstyle, and I've also summarized for you. So what you need to do is for you to take your pen and your booklet and start writing and jotting and take practices. Go out there and practice. Use your sister if you have a sister and practice this cornrow braids hairstyle. So thank you so much for watching this live show, and I want to say please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell so that you can get more upcoming videos like this, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye.